What's up, painters? Got a bit of a weird video today. I managed to get my hands on something that I'm pretty excited about and thought I would share it with my adoring fans, all six of you. Um, but yeah, let's dig into it, shall we? And here it is, the Dwarf Battleline box from 2014, I believe. I Dwarfs were my first ever army when I was like 10 in Warhammer Fantasy, and I loved them. And one of the reasons I don't play AOS anymore is that there's no like traditional dwarf army. So I've been waiting with the old world release. I've been waiting because I was going to start a new dwarf army, and then I saw this available on eBay, and I had to jump on it. So let's get it open, should we? Shall we? He's really taking a lot of care with this. You have to appreciate that. Oh, I forgot he was including that. Grim Burlock son. He will be using that as an engineer in our army, I imagine. No, he had this included in a lot. I totally forgot about it, but that's cool. Thunderer's instructions. Instructions for our dwarves. Cool. What's that? That is instructions for the war machines. Can be cannon or organ gun. Sorry about the camera shake. It is not set up how it normally is because on my paint desk where I normally record, there's not enough space to open a box this big. All these bases, I'm pretty sure, are going to be too small. My understanding is base sizes have gone up, so I'm going to have to do something about that. But that's okay. All right, let's have a look here. What are these? So this will be, I reckon that's the command sprue for the hammerers or longbeards. I have no idea how I'm going to build these, whether they'll be hammerers or longbeards. I'm going to have to work that out. I might even jump on Reddit and ask on there. And that's another command. No, yes, another command sprue for them. In case, so I believe there's 20 in here. So I guess this is in case I do 2 units of 10. I can have a command squad for both. What's that? That will be. That's the runesmith, I reckon. Yep. Cool. I had one of these years ago. I remember they were like really easy to paint, but you can get a really cool effect on them. Like they're easy to paint, but they look really good when you get them painted up. So that'll be fun. And that'll be the first war machine sprue. So yeah, you can either go organ gun or cannon. No idea. I'll probably end up doing one of each, I think. I haven't kept up to date too much with the old world information for dwarves, but I believe war machines aren't considered all that strong at the moment, but I don't really care. I like war machines, and they're why you play dwarves, right? So let's put the war machines over there. And what is this sprue? This looks like a command sprue, I'd say, for the warriors. Because I don't see any crossbows or guns there. Cool. Look at those faces. Real dwarfs. And that's the other war machine sprue. Can join that over there. How cool is this, guys? Like, dwarfs, real dwarfs. That'll be a command sprue for either the Thunderers or Crossbowmen. Once again, I'm not sure which way I'll build them. Maybe I'll do a unit of 10 each. Yes, we'll wait to find out. I'm running out of spots to put stuff. Let's put crossbowmen over there. Crossbowmen slash thunderers. What's this? That will be another warrior sprue, warrior command, and normal warriors, I imagine. What do you got? There's 4 bodies, so yeah. Random pieces of sprue plastic. More warriors. So there should be 20 warriors, if I remember right. 20 crossbowmen or thunderers. 10 longbeards or hammerers. And the runesmith or rune lord and 2 war machines. So it's something like 59 models total. Actually, it says on the box. Hang on. Yep, 59 miniatures. Crossbowmen. Looks like all the sprues have the options for command. Alright, because that's the 3rd crossbowman or thunderer sprue, and each one has the command. Same with the warriors here. They all have the command option. That's pretty cool. What's that? That is more crossbowmen. And more crossbowmen. Alright. That's everything. So, we have our 20 dwarf warriors, clansmen, ready to serve and defend the honor of the hold. 20 crossbowmen or thunderers. So there's 4 per sprue here, and I've got 5 sprues, so that's cool. Why are you not going down? Come on, wait, I'm recording. You're making me look stupid. There we go. Don't need your help to look stupid. The 2 war machines and crew. Pretty excited about this. Dwarves and war machines. Name a more iconic duo. Imagine we put that like that. And then our longbeards or hammerers. And the runesmith. And of course, the bonus engineer. How cool is that? And that is an amazing start to rebuild my dwarf army. So what I'm thinking is I'll probably do, obviously, the warriors as warriors, weirdly. I'm thinking I'll just do 10 crossbowmen, 10 thunderers. The longbeard slash hammerers, I'm going to do with hammerers because that gives me a hammer because I've already got the anvil with the warriors. Rune Lord, obviously Rune Lord, and then I'm going to do 1 each of the war machines. That's what I'm thinking. I'm pretty keen to get started on this. I just have to finish my Votan because I've got 6 days left to finish my 1,000 points before a tournament next weekend, so that's going to be a problem. But how cool is this? If you're a dwarf player and want to see me paint these guys up, subscribe, hang around on the channel because these guys are definitely getting done soon. Thanks for watching, guys. Really appreciate it. Hit that subscribe button. Let's do it.